For the rest of the video, I'm going to be filming what I eat in a day and just showing you guys super easy and simple meals to cook at home. I'm going to make bruschetta toast for breakfast, which is really simple, quick and easy. I wanted something light and fresh for this morning, which bruschetta is perfect for. But yeah, before I start rambling, let's just get started. Oh, that's hot. You want all the juices, so keep them in there. I'm so sad because I toasted it a little bit too much, but it's fine. It's not a big deal. This is my most important part. I feel like I take a fresh garlic and I slice it in half. And I make sure I take the inside part and I basically just rub this side of the toast. And it just adds that nice kick of garlic. One of my favorite parts of the toast. I like a lot of garlic, so I really just rub it in there. But obviously, for those who aren't a big fan of garlic, you don't have to do as much as I'm doing. The smell of garlic. Put that aside and we'll move on to the actual bruschetta. I love my bruschetta tangy, so I'm actually gonna add in a squeeze of lemon as well. This is obviously optional. I don't know if other people do this, but I love lemon in a lot of my toast. It's also nice if you have basil, but I don't have basil, so we're having it without. I'm gonna taste the tomatoes. My stomach keeps growling. You guys need to add the garlic if you make this. Garlic is everything. Slow mornings with sunny, beautiful weather, a good breakfast plate, and tea. All you need sometimes. It's time for lunch. I'm gonna have something really simple and easy. I'm gonna be making spicy tuna onigiri. I also wanted mandu, Korean dumplings. This is my all-time favorite one that you can get from H Mart. It's bibigo's beef, pork, and vegetable dumpling, but it's actually wrapped in rice wrapper instead of the typical flour wrapper. I just love it so much more. And I'm also gonna make the Asian cucumber salad, but it's gonna be the twisty one, and it's my first time trying it that way, so excited to make that. I think you take 2 chopsticks, and I chose these ones. Like, it's the thickest one I have. And then I think you just cut through. And then you flip it over. I don't know if it's the prettiest, but this is still really cool. We're gonna soak this in salt so we can get all the water out. I'm gonna season the sushi rice with some salt. like a triangular shape. Make sure you flatten it a little bit. So cute! So cute. I'm gonna take some black sesame seeds and sprinkle it on. Now for the cucumber salad, this is also really simple and easy to make. We're gonna sprinkle with some salt. Our chili crunch or chili oil. And we need some rice vinegar. Very tangy and fresh. Leave this in here. I'll just eat this one too since it's broken. Alright, so I have my beautiful plate of dumplings, the onigiri, and my cucumber salad. Wow. So good. Wow. You guys have to try this fondue if you guys haven't already. It is time for dinner now. I'm going to be making Korean soy braised chicken with vegetables, which is also known as jimdak. I know I say this about almost everything that I make, but this is truly one of my favorite Korean dishes that my mom used to make, and this will be my first time making it for my parents, so hopefully it turns out well. I made it for myself and my friends before. It always came out pretty well, so let's just hope it's yummy today. We're gonna soak the chicken in milk. Put in 3 cups of water because we are using noodles today. So if you're not putting in noodles, then make sure to put in less water. It's really good. I like this style. I'm full, but I still have room for dessert, so I'm gonna have this Haagen-Dazs ice cream. This one's my favorite, which is the chocolate with almonds. I love to eat the outside first, at least halfway, and then I'll eat the rest of ice cream. I feel like every Asian, or at least Korean household that has a Costco membership has this ice cream in their freezer.